guys, heading out to the scrapyard. Got rid of this whole pile here. There's a lot more to get rid of yet. There'll be more trips to the scrapyard, but I got 2 rider mowers to take apart. Yeah, I gotta get these mowers taken apart. And yeah, then we're gonna do what's that freaking Hornet going in there, huh? Then we're gonna get rid of all this stuff. Cast aluminum, pots and pans. Yeah, that's a Hornet. That's a Hornet going in there, guys. So I gotta take care of that as soon as I get back. We'll take care of that Hornet. Hopefully we don't get a nail on the tire. Cameras are running. Everything's secure. So got the face masks and everything going, guys. She starts. Looks like we got a scrap to get rid of. So come on, let's get this to the scrap yard. Okay guys, starting to rain. Car could use a washing anyway, you know. You guys, almost at the scrap yard. I'll let you know what we get as soon as we get out of here and unload. So guys, these are all the clothing and shoe containers that they're processing right now. And a bunch of rotors and stuff over here. We're gonna head right over here to this pile and dump our scrap. So we gotta back her up. Yeah, we look over here, guys. Good. Looks good, right? That's good. I don't want to block the road. Okay, let's get out and unload. We got our masks. There you go. With the cord, we got a fork. I don't have my snips otherwise, but it's all this here, guys. Hard drives, all kinds of stuff. Go walkie-talkie. Does that work? Doesn't work. Alright guys, let's get unloaded. Get you guys in position. Probably gonna try to load this whole area over there, okay guys? There we go. Hey guys, let's see what's around. I do see something right here. Battery powered scooter. Got the magnet guy up there. All those rotors and all that kind of stuff. Not really seeing too much good here. That's all stainless right there. Got a Western snowplow. Big fan over there. This copper must be down. Everybody's leaving cords. Take a little walk over here for you. Look at this massive pile that was dropped by a dump truck right here. Beds, frames, file cabinets. They could have sold this for 15 bucks on Marketplace. Just a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, let's get out of here and get paid. Remember guys, before you pull out, check your tires for nails. Make sure there's no nails in your path before you head out. Check for nails or screws. We look good. Let's go, man. Let's go get some pet money. Alright, seen this laying right there. Here's a nail right there, guys. I would have turned right into. See that right there? Would have turned right into it. Let's pray for the best and head on out.
That's what I'm saying. I don't like cleaning everything.
Clothing drop-offs. While I'm getting my mask, you guys could check all that out. Well, clothing drop-offs, guys. No more clothing drop-offs for a while. Here's all the clothing drop-offs they've been crushing. And other scraps. We'll be bringing aluminum and stuff soon, guys. Brass, aluminum, cast aluminum. Goes in receiving number 2 or number 1. Alright, let's go. We're at the stop here. We're just waiting for the okay. Taco Bell looks dead.
They're only open for drive-thru, that's right.
Yeah. Hurry up, this guy's gonna speed just to catch up.
What are you doing over there?
People dancing, man. Oh, we just got check engine light, guys.
That's not check engine light, that says check gauges.
Check gauges.
What does that mean?
Whoa, what's going on with the battery here? Look at the batteries. We gotta get home. Battery's like way over.
Holy shit.
Let's get this home, park it, and
Hurry up, go.
pop that hood. The battery should not be that far over. We got a strange phenomena going on. The battery's back to normal, and the check engine light's not there. So we'll check under the hood.
Check gauges, honey.
We'll check on the hood just in case, but it could be a loose wire hitting something.
ABS.
ABS, we have no ABS in here anymore. I could just unplug it, so.
Whew.
Okay, so guys, this was probably touching on and off right here. This loose wire was probably touching on and off. I gotta reattach that to the positive. That's the horn button. Okay guys, we had 520 pounds. Light iron was $10. 520 pounds light iron came to $10.40. We got 11 bucks. And what you gotta do is divide 1040 divided by 520 and it'll say 2 cents. So it's 2 cents a pound for light iron. That's way down, guys, way down. That's why, guys, that's why I won't be street scrapping for a while. I mean, because at 2 cents a pound, I need a big truck full to make some money. So, wow, it's not even 20 bucks anymore, but it's 10 is 11 bucks. Not too bad, guys. If you think about, like, the other day I made 100 bucks or 110. That's 121. So it just gets added to the pile, guys. All right, and we're gonna be doing aluminum and cast aluminum, pots and pans. I still got more scrap to get rid of though. We got this to get rid of. We got this to get rid of. That to get rid of. We got a lawnmower over there to get rid of. And I have some large pieces here to get rid of. So I cut through those two bars right there and there. We're gonna get rid of this thing. Okay. The chair is going. That motor's going right there. This motor's gonna go.